Hey guys, it's Classic Hero back again with another workout video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all my gymnastic rings back workout. It's going to be fun and exciting. Be free to try this workout out. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Now, starting with the first workout, we're going to be doing weighted gymnastic ring pull-ups. This is a little intense, but if you have a backpack, I'm using a weight vest for this video. But if you have a backpack, be free to put some dumbbells, books, anything that you have at the house inside the rings. Inside the backpack. As you can see, I'm real ecstatic because I've done this. This is my first time trying this out. So I was really happy about this result. Work it out over here. Trying to get it work. Try to get that work done, you feel me? Got the rings going. I love these things. Has helped me tremendously already with stability and all of that. So we're adding some weights to these ring pull-ups. Should be about 28 pounds. See how I do. Adding some more weight was definitely a challenge, but I wanted to test myself. I wanted to challenge myself, see if I can do this, see if I can lift myself up. 28 pounds added to me. And as you can see, it was a good result. I was happy with it. And as you can see, have the full range of motion, fully going with the concentric movement and the eccentric movement of this workout. And one thing that's important to note is to squeeze when you get to the top of the peak of the contraction of the workout. Well, now I'm going to go into one of my favorite exercises to do on rings, and that's the ring rows. It's my favorite because it's really challenging, and it's just something different that you don't really see everybody doing. So I'm going to have my wife record me for this. She know that. But we take a little break, 30 more second breaks, and break, and we'll get right into it. But yeah, after lifting with some added weight, this should be a breeze. Let's see. It wasn't a breeze, but it wasn't too bad, I don't think. Man, that's something else. I felt like, I don't know. What do you think about it, babe? How's my form and everything? Because you've seen me do it before.
It was alright.
Continuing with the workout, I'm just finishing out the sets. We're gonna do 3 sets of this weighted pull-up exercise, and then I'm following along with wide ring pull-ups. But I love starting off with weighted pull-ups because it makes everything else a little bit easier to do. It's something about adding the extra weight, and then once you have that extra weight and you take it off, it's like you feel so much lighter. So that's something I like to do. Alright guys, I'm done with the upper body part of this workout, and I'm still gonna work on the upper body part, but what I mean by the upper body part is that these rings are at a high level right now, so that I'm able to do pull-ups like you saw. So now I'm gonna bring it a little lower so I can do some rows and different things. Well, you'll see what I'm talking about. one important note when doing ring rows is that you want to keep your hips forward. You don't want to lean back too far as well. Realize I'm a little gassed this morning. I'm gonna try to get some water in. Probably help me feel a little better. I'll be right back. Alright guys, when it comes to elevator ring rolls, this exercise is a little bit more difficult, and that is because you are elevated. You're on an elevated surface. So it'll be like you're using some of your body weight, but the same principle applies just as regular rows. Keep your hips forward and your back is not sagging, it's nice and straight. Alright guys, that concludes the workout. As you can see, I'm doing like basic ring movements, back workout movements. I'm kind of fairly new to these rings, so that's all I got for y'all today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Thank y'all for watching.